welcome to a part of my room I don't think you've ever seen before. This is my roommate's desk. So, as I'm sure you know, coronavirus is a thing. I'm not going to talk too much about it just because I know that there is so much of that out there right now and I don't need to contribute to it. As I'm sure most of you know, coronavirus has caused a lot of universities to switch to online classes for the rest of their years, and my university has followed in suit with that, and so my spring quarter, which was going to be from April to June, is now all online. So that being said, there's really no reason for me to be staying in the dorms anymore. So that's why I'm here. My roommate moved out yesterday. It was very sad. I feel like everything's just moving so quickly right now because all these changes are happening. Today I just had my last day of work and I had to say bye to a lot of the staff who are going to be graduating and I won't see next year. So it's all going quickly and not at all what any of us were expecting. So yeah, today is Monday, March 16th. I move out Wednesday on the 18th. So for the next 2 days, this is just going to be my life, packing, trying to figure out what I'm doing. And I thought I'd bring you along. I didn't even think I'd be making this video until June, but here we are. In fact, I think this is my last video in this room, which is crazy because this is my freshman dorm, guys. Like, I don't know. I'm not gonna get too sentimental and nostalgic and weird. But yeah. So join me for the next 2 days as I try and get my life together and I move out. So it is Tuesday now. I did absolutely no packing yesterday, which is really fun because now I have less than 24 hours to do all of it. I'm gonna start with my closet back here and just empty most of it out. The thing is, I don't have any boxes to pack with. I have very few. I actually have a couple, but they're not very big and they won't hold much. So most of this is just going to be me like organizing stuff, and then my parents are bringing up boxes for me to pack with. So yes, I'm going to do my clothes first. I have a duffel bag that I'm going to fill up, and then I also have some trash bags I think I'm just going to fill up and do it that way. So yeah. Okay, so I just finished packing all of my clothing. We have it in 3 bags and then that duffel bag, which isn't that bad, honestly. And then I do have my laundry basket over here still. Alrighty, so I am now done with my clothes. I picked out an outfit, here it is, for tomorrow. I have some biker shorts and this cute little top with my oversized green jacket. So that's what I'm gonna wear tomorrow. Everything else is now packed away. I'm gonna move on to food now, just because that's probably the next thing that I won't be using at all. So I'm gonna pack up all my food. Hopefully it'll all fit in one bag. I don't have too much because I don't have that much food, but I do have some things like some ramens and stuff, so yes. Gonna be taking these home. My cranberry citrus water, sparkling waters, It's so weird because like here there's like a food bank, and every now and then my friend and I would just go to like Target or whatever, and we would just get food. And it's so weird because we would stock up. So like I bought like a whole 8-pack of these things, and like I have tons of shrimp, ramen from the food bank, and we would just kind of stock up on food because I plan to be here for another 3 months at very least. And it's just so weird now. I don't know. It's just so weird that I'm moving out. Anyways, back to packing. Alrighty, so a little bit of a different part of the moving process that is still part of it is right now I have to go and take my key back to the post office. I do have a P.O. box. A lot of like universities have their students have P.O. boxes, so I do have one, and so I have to go deal with that at the post office right now. I also have to return my books to the bookstore because I rented and I did not buy, so that is what I'm gonna go do. Hi, I'm wondering what to do because I'm moving out.
They'll take your key for you at that first window or the second window right here.
Okay. Hi, give me 1 second. What is your name?
Sophia. Hi, okay. It is currently about 8:30. I have not done any packing of any sort since about 2 p.m. We love productivity. I just ordered Taco Bell, so that is coming on its way. But until then, I'm gonna clean all my dishes because I'm a disgusting human being and I don't clean my dishes right away. So I have a few cups and things that need cleaning. This is the spicy potato soft taco. These are the best thing on the Taco Bell menu. They're only $1 and they're so good. With some fire sauce, it doesn't get better, folks. Cheers. I'll catch you on the flip side. So it's time to take down my wall, so that's what I'm going to be doing now. My absolute biggest tip, this isn't even just for packing, but this goes for like any kind of housework or anything similar. I love watching vlogs. Particularly, I've been loving Alicia Marie and Aspen and Parker's vlogs for this kind of thing. So that's what we got going on here. For some reason, it's just so, I was gonna say relaxing, but it's just so like perfect. It's just perfect to be listening to somebody go about their day while doing this. I don't know, vlogs for me, like I can't sit there and just watch a vlog, but like when I'm doing something, it's perfect. So that's a tip for you.
Oh my god, that was dope.
And just like that, my wall is bare. Now to take down the iconic Polaroid strip. These are all pictures or things that represent people from home who I love. So shout out to any of you who are on here or represented by something on here. It's been really nice to just have like right above me and like, you know, right there. So yeah, love you all. I'm excited to come home to you. Cheesy Fiesta potatoes. It is currently 11:15. I have so much left to do. But it'll happen, you know. I still have about 12 hours until I'm actually leaving, so there's time. Alrighty, so I am gonna call it a night. It is just about 12:30, I believe, at night. Let me show you the progress I have. So I have this box packed mostly. There's still a little bit of space. I don't know what I'm gonna put in there yet. And that is mostly like makeup and toiletry type stuff. This box is filled with books and such. This is my bag with all my food. That's pretty much done. And then, as you saw before, my clothing. And here's my box of shoes. I still have a little bit of stuff up there. Both of these drawers are empty. These drawers are all empty now, so it's just what's on top. And then I have some drawers under here. These still have stuff in them as well. So I kind of do still have a lot to do, but it's gonna be fine. I have until about noon tomorrow is when my parents should be here. Maybe a little bit earlier than that, but it'll still give me plenty of time to get all my stuff done. So I will see you in the morning. I'm gonna shower and head to bed. So excited to shower for the last time in these nasty ass dorm halls. Okay, hello, good morning. It is almost 10:30, I believe. I have done absolutely everything possible to procrastinate. So, now it's inevitable. I have to finish packing. I have a lot of time still and not too much to do, so yes. I'm gonna strip my bed now. We're getting creative with packaging. This is like a crate that I used to like display things. It held my food while I was here, but right now I'm gonna pack all my toiletries into it. I just finished with my skincare routine, so I don't need any of my products anymore. So hopefully they all fit. I think that they will. This is pretty big. I do have this thing that they're all currently in, but it doesn't fit everything, so I'm hoping that this one will. So I'm just gonna go ahead and transfer everything over. Okay, these are my other toiletries. This is my shower bag. Hopefully, really hoping these also fit in here. I think they're going to. I don't have too many products in here. Okay, so I am back now. I got some caffeine. This is the Mountain Dew Kickstart, the black cherry one. Highly recommend. My parents come in 30-ish minutes. Here is my room currently. Da 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 da. So, I think it's come time for these two babies to go. Mildred, and I never named this one. Rest in peace. It's time. So the car is all packed up with all my stuff. As you can see, we're heading out.